How to change the order of products in your Shopify account. The way we want to go about this is by going on the left-hand side and then pressing Products. As you can see here, we already have some products in stock, but the one we want to pay attention to is here, Collections. There's already a home page here. This is the one created by Shopify for us. Just click that. As you can see here, on default, it's sorted by best selling. The way we can change it is by plus clicking it and then just press here manually. After that, just press on this group of circles and then you can just rearrange it. Socks on bottom of pants, t-shirt on top, just like that. I'll show you again, but this time we'll make a new collection. Create collection, name it whatever you want. I'll just name it example collection. And then the collection type should be manual. Press save. Here we can add products, for example, t-shirt, and then pants. And we sort it by manually. Just like that.